And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory and the SONY Xperia XA2. So, when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth device, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just restart Bluetooth connection. So just switch it off and switch it again. To restart it, you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and tap on the restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it's really work. Okay, after that, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode. How to do it, you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it by yourself. And if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode, and it should be visible for the devices but it's still not on your phone, and you doesn't see it in the pair in your device list, just go back to the settings, slide down to the system, expand the advanced, and go to the reset options. You can see you have a reset network settings and the Bluetooth is included here, so just tap on the reset settings, enter your pin or pattern, and tap on the reset settings again. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system in the same section, system in the settings, and just tap on the software update. If you have an update, just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone or another Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which not, which one making a problem here. That's it, thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.